Every December, the world hits pause. A few names echo through marble halls in Stockholm and Oslo, and just like that, new legends are minted. The medal? Only 175 grams of gold. The title? Worth more than empires. Because the Nobel Prize isn't about money. It's about proof. Proof that ideas, not weapons, not money, not politics, move the world forward. But what if I told you this global symbol of peace and progress was born from explosives, guilt, and a misprinted obituary? Yeah, let's talk about that. Meet Alfred Nobel. Inventor, linguist, billionaire, and, by accident, the world's biggest rebrand story. In 1888, a French newspaper mistook his brother's death for his. The headline read, "The Merchant of Death is Dead." Imagine reading that about yourself while still alive. Nobel had created dynamite, originally meant for mining and construction. But humanity used it for war. That headline became his mirror. It forced him to ask one brutal question: what will the world remember me for? His answer changed history. In his will, he left 94% of his fortune, today worth over $500 million, to fund annual prizes for those who confer the greatest benefit to humankind. A man who built explosions decided to reward creation instead. The first Nobel Prizes: physics, chemistry, medicine, literature, peace. Later joined by economics in 1968. But the genius of the Nobel system isn't in its categories, it's in its philosophy: to reward ideas that reshape life on Earth. It's not for effort, it's for impact. That's why it's different from any other prize. No one applies, no one campaigns. You can't buy your way into it. You have to change the world to earn it. Let's talk about the people who turned this medal into myth. Albert Einstein, 1921, for his explanation of the photoelectric effect. That discovery later fueled solar power and quantum mechanics. Marie Curie, not just the first woman to win a Nobel, but the only person ever to win it in two different sciences. Martin Luther King Jr. His 1964 Peace Prize didn't end racism, but it globalized hope. Malala Yousafzai, shot for going to school, became the youngest Nobel laureate in history. Katalin Karikó and Drew Weissman, 2023, for mRNA vaccine tech that helped save millions during COVID. Different centuries, same mission. Reward those who change what possible means. The Nobel Prize doesn't just honor winners, it alters the timeline. Penicillin, DNA, quantum mechanics, artificial intelligence. The world we live in today, the phone you're watching this on, exists because someone once chased curiosity instead of comfort. But here's the twist. The Nobel Prize isn't flawless. It's been criticized for bias. Too Western, too male, too academic. Even Alfred Nobel couldn't have predicted how political peace would become. And yet, through the noise, the core idea survives. Recognition isn't just about applause, It's about acceleration. The Nobel Prize shines a global spotlight on what humanity should care about today. In an age of influencers and instant fame, the Nobel Prize still runs on quiet brilliance. No hashtags, no viral campaigns, just peer recognition, verified genius, and impact that echoes. It reminds us that in a world obsessed with attention, there's still space for substance. When those medals are handed out in Stockholm, it's not just ceremony, it's calibration. It's the world recalibrating what greatness looks like. The Nobel Prize was born from regret. It grew into redemption, and it became a roadmap for human progress. It's not about the medal, it's about momentum. Because real greatness isn't loud, it's consistent. It's the kind of brilliance that outlives its creator and keeps rewriting the story of who we are. So when you hear the name Nobel, don't just think of the past. Think of what kind of idea could win it next. If this story moved you, share it with someone chasing purpose, not fame. Like if you believe ideas are stronger than power, comment what kind of discovery you think deserves the next Nobel. This is Awards, where the world's greatest minds live forever. Don't just watch history, be inspired by it.
Thanks for being with Awards. Subscribe to know more about international award winners and unsung heroes behind peace, science, and humanity.